Oh, it's rolling? Okay. So, hi there. My name is Gamaliel Carlos Picatil. I am currently enrolled at Licea de Cagayan University, and it is my first year of being a student of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. And besides of being a college student, I also love to play sports like basketball and more. I also love to take care of my body by wait, lifting weights and eating healthy food. I also love to collect shoes and buying them and improving my style. So this is my latest pickup of shoes. Now, I also love to and I am also a member of the church as an altar server, and that's all. Thanks for listening to me, and I hope you learned something about me. Bye.